Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing an Android-style emoji pack from the App Store. iOS won't let you swap the system font, so you'll work with images or stickers. Install a reputable Android emoji stickers app, then open Settings right arrow General right arrow Keyboard to enable its keyboard or give clipboard/photo access. Once done, authorize the app only as needed. Make sure to enable full access only if required by paste-based keyboards. This gives you Android visuals you can paste into chats without jailbreaking your phone. Now you'll enable and practice using the pack. Open the new keyboard or app, pick the Android-style emoji image you want, and use the app's copy or insert button to place it into Messages, WhatsApp, or Mail. Because these are images, not system glyphs, they retain the Android look when received. Make sure to resize or select the proper sticker size if the app offers options, otherwise paste directly. Once comfortable, create a Favorites folder inside the app for quick access later. Finish by testing. Send an Android-style emoji image to yourself and to another contact to verify it appears correctly. If an image pastes as a blank or won't insert, make sure the app has clipboard or full keyboard permission in settings, then restart the app and try again. If persistent problems occur, reinstall the app or use the app's help. Remember, changing system emojis requires jailbreaking, which has risks. Use that route only if you understand the security and warranty implications.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.